better listen. See, you were that dime piece I couldn't pass up, but now I'm thinking back, I should've. I'm thinking and wishing, if only I listened, I wouldn't be missing you in this condition I'm in. Would've been a broken heart at the start. You gave me the spark, now I'm left in the dark. We did what we like, it was for only one night. I broke out of sight, went on with my life, thinking it was alright. Telling me I got a seed, named it after me. Couldn't believe, so now you're telling me it took one line, one time to make you mine. Here you come as I shine, there just wasn't time, but the crime would be to take responsibility of what I created. I made it, it just couldn't be. So shorty, we get along, make a relationship strong. How things change from one night to getting it on. I guess I was wrong, for the way I was feeling. It's hard to believe the situation I was dealing with. Not this ever happened to me. The breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in, but I never thought this ever happened to me. Breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. And after 2 years, what I didn't want to hear, and my biggest fear of my whole life was going to shift gears, telling me the little one may not be the one. I may not be the father to the daughter, the son. The pain has begun. I don't know, I can't let go. Your pain hit me low like putting us on a talk show. For real though, I heard how you are. It was so bizarre, I can't believe I received a crushed heart. By far results made me feel it's my fault. As you pour on the salt in my wounds, I got caught up with you. I didn't have a clue and I'm through. I see someone new as I seek a new, but with no lie, just the truth. I gotta watch out what these chicken heads are all about. Tell the kids they got a friend, and I'll always send my love. Hope the heart's made, cause this is the end, and I'll never get lied to again. Thought this ever happened to me. The breaking your heart would leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. I never thought this ever happened to me. Breaking your heart would leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. I never would've thought I'd get caught up in your game. You have one thing to game, do you have no shame? I guess I'm to blame for that lust of one night, so I must go and do right. You're not ruining my life as much as you like, but that kid is not mine. Helping you's the last time, what you did was a crime. I got you with one line, I have so many regrets. Time for me to step, cause my heart is nothing in it left. Thought I was blessed, turned out to be a curse, but you couldn't get any worse. You bring more hurt when they're giving you the shirt off my back for you. Now I'm here, I'm at that point, I'm done with you, boo. Don't wanna be rude, but it all has come to an end. You better start over and over, God knows where you've been. I hate it, perpetrated the ultimate sin. You went to 1 to being a 10, a brother can't win. Thought this ever happened to me. The breaking your heart would leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in, and I never thought that would ever happen to me. The breaking your heart would leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. Black roots, baby.
Une fillette de 12 ans ne vieillira pas à cause d'une maladie qui l'envoie au trépas. Dans la chambre grise où la vie s'évanouit, l'odeur insoutenable des miasmes l'asphyxie. Elle languit, elle endure un supplice infernal dans les longs couloirs du sinistre hôpital. Comme un condamné à la peine capitale, elle entend le murmure du chemin final. Elle écoute le prêtre qui louange des inepties sur un paradis où les anges sont gentils. Qu'est-ce qu'elle en a à foutre, elle qui va mourir et qui voit ses parents incapables de sourire. Elle pense aux enfants qui jouaient avec elle, mais la glace rappelle les cruelles séquelles. Elle sait apeurée que la mort la dérobe et maudit l'infamie du crépuscule de l'aube. Anathème, cette fillette damnée à la vie suspendue. Anathème, ce vieillard hagard qui finit pendu. Anathème, cet enfant des rues orphelin et perdu. Chrysanthème, des corps devenus résidus. Un vieillard hagard assis dans un fauteuil songe à la femme dont il porte le deuil. La mort sépare l'amour en un cercueil où son corps se part d'un sobre linceul. Et son mari demeure dans l'abandon froid dont les nuits se meurent. Transi par l'effroi, ses enfants enfuis, ses amis aussi. L'ennui l'envahit, l'envie s'anémie. Il marche dans les rues où la vie continue, brusquement devenue une amère inconnue. Comme un vague souvenir doucement diminue. La voix du destin lentement s'atténue. À 80 ans il appréhende l'avenir. L'hospice qui étouffe, purgatoire ou périr. Perdu dans ses peurs, peu à peu pourrir. Quitter l'enfer à temps, partir et en finir. Anathème. Cette fillette damnée à la vie suspendue. Anathème. Ce vieillard hagard qui finit pendu. Anathème. Cet enfant des rues, orphelin et perdu. Chrysanthème. Des corps devenus résidus. Un gosse de 8 ans cherche de la nourriture au milieu des ordures et de la pourriture. Il préfère survivre comme un chien errant plutôt que de subir le joug de ses tyrans. Ceux qui l'ont enfanté pour le vendre aux hommes, ceux qui suivent l'innocence de millions de mômes, ceux qui assassinent les rires d'un royaume où la candeur meurt dans les yeux des fantômes. Là où le tourisme organise un génocide, là où des gamins orphelins se suicident, las d'assouvir asservi l'appétit d'une engeance qui agence la barbarie. Celle qui flétrit les fleurs des favelas, celle qui meurtrit les cœurs et leur éclat, celle qui détruit les rêves des marmots pour qui l'existence équivaut à fardeau. Anathème. Cette fillette damnée à la vie suspendue. Anathème. Ce vieillard hagard qui finit pendu. Anathème. Cet enfant des rues, orphelin et perdu. Chrysanthème. Des corps devenus résidus.
Yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, zone. Yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, zone. Yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, zone, yeah, yeah, yeah.
내 믿음 변치 않음 Trust my rhythm 속 flow 한가득 보여 내 hidden Style so freedom 촌스러운 것들은
닥치고 just listen.
Whatever you say I don't give a fuck that Can I try to crack 짜여진 틀게 놔주라 그래 Yeah 이 손은 내 자유 혹은 내 차위 던져봐 계란 따위 나는 단단한 바위 네 눈엔 stranger ranger see my challenger danger I'm so major 저는 player 항상 난 머리 꼭대기에 보다 위에 발꿈치 들고 손들어도 절대 닿지 않는 곳에 I'm here 꽉 박혀있을게 언제든 꼴릴 deal 와봐 침 뱉어줄게 너의 성마 딕만 소인배가 식안 비식대 왜곡되는 거지 샌드 팔 걷고 나서
Tone knots, son, spitting hot ones, blazing the track, making your heads cock back like a double barrel shotgun. Gay zone coming with that ill, that real shit, something to feel. Who be I? I'm that bomb, really gotta wanna tick me off. Back up or get touched when I spark shit, baby be gone. Your little monkeys don't want none with lyrical Donkey Kong tearing through, stomping on your confidants. Nuh-uh, so come on, gotcha, shut your mouth, I got it, doctor. 어설픈 rappers that want to check ya. 난 재떨이처럼 put your lights out, fuck off. So watch your step, boo, 조심해 강한 척하는 너 벗겨보면 넌 the real social man I'm a monster, rap zombie, you're a bunch of Pokemon Tryna throw hands with me, what you smoking, friend? You must be joking, damn Your whole crew look like a fag pretty boy band with no big bangs Yeah, zone never slip, we keep our game face on Steady rocking like Hov, I'm focused, man
Focus, man, 껍데기 벗겨내 그 다음에 비춰봐 거울에 대답해 내 모습에
Focus, man
넌 추의 대가리에 쏙쏙 박힐 걸 두 번은 말 안 해 두 번은 말 안 해
괜찮겠나?
Check it out now. Depend to make the ink transform. Any particular service depend like I care if it's hands on. What's the beat? The coolie high, cold cheese, hypotech. I drape off poetic landscapes and shit. Illustrate the paper space that paint. The design would have a National Geographic. Imagine what tailor made status and plus. Wait, but that's all that matters.